Now in your next activity sheet, you have your pictures. Yes, you have 6 pictures and also you have your words down over here. Now you can see the picture, look at the picture and you can choose the correct word which has to be written here. Okay children, now see what are the words you have here. You have socks, duck, kick, truck, sack and clock. Now we have to place all these words according to the picture in the correct place. Now your first picture, what's the first picture? Yes, it's a sack. Now where did we see sack over here? Yes, here. So now what's the spelling for sack? So shall we write down the spelling here? S A C K, sack. Yes, so you have finished one. It is S A C K, sack. Now what's the next picture? Yes, kick. Can you see the boy kicking the ball? So it's called kick. Now where's the spelling for kick? Here. So we are finished with kick. And I also want you to notice that C and K, that's your sound K, is together. Now kick. Let's write the spelling for kick. K I C K, kick. K I C K, kick. Your next picture, what is this? Yes, it's a socks. Now where's the spelling for socks? Here's it. Now we are done with 3 words. Now shall we write S O C K, sock. S O C K. Now here the fourth one is, yes, it's a duck. Now where is the spelling for duck? Here, over here. Now let's write the spelling for duck. D U C K. It's duck. D U C K, duck. Now next, correct, it's clock. Shall we write clock over here? C L O C K, clock. C L O C K, clock. Now your last one, what is this? It's a truck. Again, T R U C K. It's truck. T R U C K, truck. So your first word is sack. Kick, C and K are together, kick. Socks, duck, clock and truck. So these are your activities that you've done. Yes, and you notice that C and K are close in all these words. Okay, you're finished with your activities. So before we finish up with C and K, just to keep you again reminded, once again I will show you the action. If it is only C, it is K. As I said, clicking castanets. K. K. For K, your action, both your hands on your hip, and we learned it's a kicking king. So So when you do both together, yes, your hands up and your legs that you will kick. So C and K is together. Okay, so then you know it is C and K together. So when you do C and K together, your hands up, that is, and your kick. Again, once again, it is your hands down and your kicking king. It's K. It's K. Clear?